Hello friends, welcome to Gem Academy. This is important MCQs part 3. Already two parts we had. JAB Principles and Practices of Banking paper 1 and CAB Retail Banking. Both have almost the same syllabus. Our first question is, which of the following concepts point out for a well-laid strategy for retail banking focusing on customers? Our answer is all the above. That is, identifying the customer's needs, developing appropriate products to satisfy their needs, providing them with efficient delivery channels for availing the products. And next question, which of the following modules is management by objectives process? Strategic business unit approach. Our next question, defaults in repayment in credit cards and personal loan segments are mainly due to any one of the above. Genuine defaults due to reasons beyond the borrower's control, or willful defaults where the default is intentional. Next one, cross-selling refers to only one is true. That is selling additional products or services to the existing customers. Our next question, which one is not a characteristic of a retail banking? First three, that is banking facilities to individual customers, banking facilities to small size business, and banking facilities to medium size business are all included in retail banking. The one which is not included is banking facilities to large size business. Next question, the first credit bureau in the world is Dun& Bradstreet Information Services. Next question, New Delhi and Mumbai have 3 benches in debt recovery tribunal. And next one, banking in the Indian scenario was identified with lending the business and corporate clients for working capital and the project financing before. The answer is 1960. Next question, Demat refers to all the above. That is the process of converting physical shares into an electronic form. Once converted, the shares are held in a Demat account. The shares will become interchangeable, identical, fungible assets and after Demat. Next question, a good branch ambience will result in the following advantages for the bank. The answer is all the above. Promotes efficiency and smooth flow of services which result in time benefits, proper placing of various service facilities, enhances internal communication effectiveness, and the comfortable and the congenial work environment results in high employee motivation. Our next question is, which of the following is not a part of direct MSc under private sector lending? The answer is loans to persons involved in assisting the decentralized sector in the supply of inputs. Our next question, loans for repairs to the damaged dwelling units of families up to rupees 2 lakh in rural and 5 lakhs in urban or metro is a part of priority sector lending. Our next question, a suit for foreclosure must be filed within 30 years or 30 years from the day of the mortgage money becomes due. Next question, in case of home loans, the credit rating should be reviewed yearly. Power of attorney should be notarized or registered. Next question, the facilities available for mobile banking customers or all the above. Facility for using banking facility from anywhere, transfer of funds between accounts of same bank and other banks, option to pay utility bills. Next question, each debt recovery tribunal has 2 recovery officers. Next question, asset backed securitization is backed by. Our answer is retail loans other than housing loans. Next question, loans to farmers against pledge or hypothecation of agriculture produce, including warehouse receipts, up to rupees 50 lakhs for period not exceeding 12 months. In the credit information report, weightage given to payment history is 35%. What are the disadvantages of retail banking? All the above. That is, a huge client requires more efforts for monitoring and tracking. Cost of servicing will be relatively high. Delinquency is relatively higher in unsecured retail loans like personal loans and credit card receivables. Our next question, an individual took a loan of rupees 10 lakh for purchasing a plot of land for the financial year 5 to 6 and paid around 1 lakh 10,000 towards the interest and around 57,000 principal during the financial year 6 to 7. He has not made any other contribution under sections 80C, 80CC. He will be able to claim deduction of 0 towards the interest. The answer is 0. That is, the interest comes under the loss for the income. So that can't be claimed. Next one, in the credit information report, maximum weightage is given to payment history. Which of the following is part of weaker section under priority sector lending? Pick the odd man out. Loans to small and marginal farmers come under priority sector, and loans to DRA beneficiaries also comes under Priority sector lending. The one which don't come under priority sector lending is loan to staff members of the bank. And the next question is the moratorium period in case of housing loan will be both B and C, that is up to 18 months after the dispersal of the last of the first disbursement of loan, 2 months after the completion of the construction. Next one, Mr. Raj is from Bundi, Rajasthan, working in OBC Bank and Karnal, want to purchase a house at Kota by taking housing loan under staff housing loan scheme under simple registered mortgage. He should cross-check the income certificate for 13 years. Income certificate should be verified for 13 years, showing nil encumbrances and parent documents of 30 years. Next one, what is the time limit for settlement of claims in respect of deceased depositors and to release payments to survivors? That is 15 days. This is an important question, friends. Please remember the time limit for settlement of claims in respect of deceased depositors and to release payments to survivors is 15 days. Our next question, the time limit for transfer of borrowal accounts is 21 days. Next one, the point of sale terminals do not represent which of the following? Transfer of funds to any third party is not represented by POS. Next question, the time limit for returning of the securities or documents or title deeds of mortgaged property is 15 days from the repayment of all dues agreed to or contracted. Next question, which types of following risk to the customers as well as to the banks are carried by the ATMs? Our answer is all the above. Next one, para banking refers to distribution of life insurance policies, distribution of non-life insurance policies, distribution of mutual fund schemes, all are included in para banking. The business model followed by banks for retail banking or any one of the above. That is strategic business unit approach, departmental approach and integrated approach. Next one, what is the sub-target for MSC under priority sector lending? Pick up the odd one. The odd one is 50% to go micro with investment in P&M up to 5 lakhs and services up to rupees 2 lakhs. Next one is what stands for ANBC, adjusted net bank credit. Next question, which of the following country doesn't come under Eurozone? The answer is Sweden. So Austria, Netherlands and Ireland comes under Eurozone. Next question, if drawer fails to make payment of the said amount of money to the bank within 15 days of receipt of notice mentioned in MLQ 4A, complaint should be filed before the court within 30 days. The answer is 30 days from the date of cause of action. Next one, which of the following dimensions do not relate to marketing in retail banking? None of the above. So all the above three are included in retail banking. Identifying the most profitable markets now and in the future, assessing the present and future needs of the customer, setting business development goals and making plans to meet them. Our next question is, when a check is dishonored, the bank has to give a notice in writing to the drawer within 15 days of the date of receipt of information by it from the finance institution recording the return of the check. Our next question is, BCSBI comments to provide online alerts to customers for all card not present transactions for the value of rupees 5,000 and above. Our next question is, data warehouse is one of the most important backbone of CRM. Which of the following is correct regarding data warehouses? Our answer is 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the 4 are included. That is, it is relational database. It is designed for query and analysis rather than for transaction processing. It usually contains historical data derived from transaction data. It enables an organization to consolidate data from several sources. Our next question, CRM, that is customer relationship management, has basically 360-degree view of the customers on their profile. Our next question, which of the following facility a mobile banking customer cannot use? Please read the question carefully, friends. Cannot use. They have also cannot use facilities of withdrawing cash anywhere, anytime. Our next question, the branch's primary direct channel that derives retail banking for the following reasons. Our answer is all the above. That is, the branch tangible and intelligible and nature of a banking service. A good branch ambience enhances the feel of a good factor. Communication happens directly with the bank staff and customer. Our next question, are in the following stages of a CRM in the order in which they come first. The correct order is 3, 1, 4 and 2. Please read the question, read the answers carefully and arrange it, friends. You just move on to the next question. Mr. Raj is from Mundi, Rajasthan, working in OBC at Karnal, want to purchase a house at Kota by taking housing loan under staff housing loan scheme Under simple registered mortgage, the deed of mortgage is required to be registered with the court or sub-register. Our next question is the channels through which retail banking services are offered are all the above: physical channels, branches and extension counters, ATM, internet banking and mobile banking. Our next question, which of the following is not a benefit and use of mobile banking? It is cool to attract of the old generation clients. Is a not benefit, which is not a benefit. We should read the question carefully, very carefully, friends. We all know the answer very well, but because of twisted questions we won't be able to answer the question. So please read the question and options carefully, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and kindly like and subscribe to our channel.